is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed the last episode. Sorry it's taking so long to get episodes up. I'm just trying to get used to the editing and everything. It takes me a little bit. Got a cool one today though. We're going to do a challenge. 1v2. My brother and my nephew's here. They're back down the creek somewhere, but I'm gonna be fly fishing with nymphs. Just a couple nymphs, Euro nymphing. They're gonna be chucking a spinner. So let's just see who can catch the most fish. Going for quantity, not quality today. So let's just see what we can get into. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoy this episode today. Hopefully it'll be a cool one. See you guys in a minute. Clayton, I got one. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at that fish. Woo! Boom! Pretty fish. Oh God, he's feeling good. Get over here, boy. Rainbow warrior. Another. Got to get another one for Team Fly. I mean, we're winning. No real threat to Team Fly of the spinner team winning, but still. You can't just win. You got to flat out beat them. There it is. Team Fly. Drop it in the comments. What is he on? Is he on the Hare's Ears or is he on the Rainbow Warrior again? Rainbow Warrior. And any fly fishers out there that don't use barbless, give them a try. You'd really like them. I don't lose fish on them, to them, because of them. And they're extremely easy to get out of your hand and the fish's mouth. There's that little guy. Beautiful fish. Dude, that one right up on the bank. Team Fly is cranking them out here. That was a net-free fish. Rainbow Warrior is putting the hurt on these little guys. Right in the upper lip. In the old jaw. I mean, look at that. Beautiful trout. Beautiful sun going down. Hints of spring. Get out of here, little guy. Thanks for playing. thank you guys for watching another episode. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Team fly, whoop, team spinner.
Yes, it was a slow day on the spinner.
That's how it goes. If y'all are interested in any of this gear that you see in these videos, like my fly rod that y'all see me use a lot, I get it at S&S. The company's Echo. It's a great company, wonderful company, great fly rods. I've had really good luck out of mine. Really like it. It's the Carbon XL, I think, and that's a Euro nymph. I've had great luck out of it. Caught a lot of fish on it. I got it at S&S Hunting Supplies in Canton. Cody Mann is the guy that owns that. He carries all kinds of fishing stuff, so visit his website. I'll put it in the description. And a lot of the other gear, it comes from like Tuckasegee Fly Shop. I'm sure they have a website, but if you're local, go check them out for sure. Hunter Banks in Asheville. I tie all my own flies, but they all sell the same flies I use pretty much, so you can go get them there. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It was a blast to film. The verse of the week this week's coming out of Hebrews 11. Verse 1, now faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. So, have faith always. When, at any point in time, have faith. Like the disciples following Jesus to Jerusalem. And Jesus put a curse on the fig tree. I'm sure the disciples were kind of like, what's going on here? But Jesus knew that tree was going to wither, and it did. They come back through, and they seen that it withered. They knew that. So just have faith and stay faithful, strong faith when you're in the valleys or on the mountaintop. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys are looking forward to some more. Thank you guys for watching.